Here we are outside the Potton Self-Build Show Centre again, and it's been a busy month, and as you can see outside we've actually now put the roof on, which is complete, and the cladding, featheredge boarding, is starting to go on around the outside. So one of the advantages of timber frame construction is that not only can the kit be erected very quickly, but once the roof is watertight, you can then start to work inside with, as we did, as many as 6 trades at once. So how are we achieving this contemporary barn style look? Well, Manor Roofing have been putting a tile from Sartas on the external walls. Timber Constructions have been applying black featheredge boarding, and other elevations are going to have a rustic old world type of brick. So here are a couple of the roof tiles. As you can see, you get a nice blend of colours and also shapes, which is what gives the roof that naturally rustic look. Here's a sample of the featheredge boarding that we're using to clad the outside of the house. It goes together like that, as you can see. One end's thicker than the other, and when it overlaps, forms a weatherproof surface. It's quite important that this is pre-painted, black in this case, because if you didn't do that, as the timber shrinks, then you will see a little line of white timber. As a project manager, it's important to consider at this stage of first fix both the aesthetics and the practicalities of modern day living. By now you should have been thinking of the positioning of all your electrical sockets, your appliances, sanitary ware, so that the plumbers and electricians can actually start to get everything in the right place. So let me take you inside and I'll show you some of the work we've been doing internally with first fix, electrics and plumbing. So internally, as far as electrical contractors are concerned, we've been using 2, Thinking Bricks and EBS. EBS have been installing the domestic wiring, and Thinking Bricks have been installing all the smart cabling. So we've also been carrying out first fix plumbing. Because we've got a rainwater harvesting system, we've actually had to have 2 separate systems. One of the other things we've done this month is to install a Velux roof light. Sunfold have also installed the main windows in the house. These windows, supplied by Sunfold, are their composite 50-50 window, which means internally they're timber and externally they're powder coated aluminium. This makes them very thermally efficient and virtually maintenance free. So once the external timber cladding is complete, we'll be downing tools in readiness for our next open event, which is from the 12th to the 15th of October. At the open event there will be guided tours on the hour every hour. And if you'd like to register on the website, you can have a guided tour of the factory and see a timber frame house actually in production. For more information about how to build a sustainable contemporary barn like this one, as always, you can log on to www.buildapottonbarn.co.uk.